making the business more attractive to buyers. Potential buyers place value on businesses with exit plan strategies because that demonstrates their commitment to the business visions and goals. So when you're selling your business or you're passing your business down, you're not only passing the monetary value of your business, you're passing down the value of your visions and your goals. So you want to make sure that your vision and goal, how well intact that is how much it's going to be worth to that future owner of your business. It guarantees very smooth transitions. So you want to make sure that, if to the other stakeholders, they're well informed, the transition is clear and what it is to be expected, whether you're not expecting it or not. You're seeking through the business and personal goals about your exit, you're executing the plan properly. If there's any unwanted consequences, you're looking at those type of things, you're weighing your options, what option you want to do when you're exiting, whether you're closing, whether you're selling, whether there's a new owner, whether, it's an employee, whether you're passing it down to your kids, whatever else you're doing, if you have a strategy in place and a plan in place and you're thinking along the lines of that all through your business, it's part of your business plan. So the business plan is something you start off with, and an exit strategy, exit planning needs to be a part of that plan. And if you're thinking along those lines, then you're always going to be thinking, let me maximize my net worth. My business's equity is the net worth. Let me maximize my profitability. Let me treat my business as a real asset instead of just a job. If you're treating your business as a real asset instead of just a job, you're going to be an employee of that business. You're going to get your employee wages, but you're also going to be building your business along the lines. I also equate it to a rental property sometimes. When you have a rental property, you're going to be getting your rent every month from your rental property, and yet the rental property is going to be appreciating in value. So that's what you want for your business. Is every year you put in all the time, blood, sweat, and tears that you're putting in, you want to be able to have a business that's appreciating in value. So those are the things that you want to look at. Whether you're liquidating or closing your business, those are all the things, you want to be able to look at. If you're in liquidation, you want to be able to maximize what you're liquidating, what assets you're liquidating. When you're selling, you're looking at goodwill. What is the goodwill of the company? That's also part of the asset of the company that you're selling to the other person. So you want to make sure that you have proper setup for your employees, proper setup for your individuals, and proper setup for your accounts payable, your accounts receivable, because those are all part of your exit strategy plan. And the better it is, the more valuable your business is. The more you have your goals and your plan, the more valuable your business is. The more monetarily valued the business will be. Not just the book value, the market value. The book value will be what you have on your books, yes, but you have to include the market value in there when you're doing this. So you want to make sure that you're talking to the right people when you're doing your exit strategy planning. So just like with your business plan, you want to have the right attorney, the right financial advisor, the right tax advisor, the right advisory team. You want to make sure that you have trusted advisors that you can speak to. Having a good exit strategy plan also helps you with securing different things, securing your equity into your business, securing loans. People, if the bank sees that your business is run properly and your business is net worth is up to par, then you're able to get loans. You're able to people will want to invest in you. People would want to invest in your business. And as I said before, when a business is well run is when a business can use other people's money to grow their profitability. That is the key. If you have a business and people are willing to invest in you, you know that you are running your business well, your idea is great, and you're running your business well, and people are willing to take the risk on you. And that is what you need to know about exit planning strategies. And you also need to be looking at all of these things when you're planning. There's going to be, we're going to talk about in our next video, we're going to talk about what it is, how you calculate your business valuation. And we're going to have a guest that's going to help us to understand a little bit more about legacy planning and exit planning strategies. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.